Soy Jora. Do you want to know how to preserve our planet? If yes, say Joe. And if not, say Rat. Joe! Let's start! Okay, kids, form your lines and I'll check the attendance. Okay, Mom. But first, check your things and be responsible. Remember, be a responsible camper. Do not litter. Don't harm animals. Don't take things with and be alert every time. Okay, so now let's set our times. Oh no! Stranger! Teacher! Teacher! There's a stranger! Holding hands! Stop right there! Don't you know that cutting our trees can affect not only our planet, but also the one who benefits the most?
I use this field for production. People use birds usually use it for their everyday lives.
Do you see that, guys? Don't do that!
So why are you cutting that? I make the air the food that you eat. Isn't that enough?
As you can see, we have to protect our planet and all of us. Those small acts is just some of the example of how to preserve and protect our planet. It's not too late to to save our planet.
Don't be a part of pollution. Be a part of solution.